take care. But today I'm going to talk about the topic corporate finance. So, corporate finance is the subfield of finance that deals with how corporation address funding sources, capital structuring, accounting, and investment decisions. Corporate finance is often concerned with maximizing shareholders' value through long and short-term financial planning and the implementation of various strategies. Corporate finance activities range from capital investment to tax consideration. Corporate finance plays a major role in the functioning of a corporate or firm as they focus on the growth of the corporation by enhancing the overall value of the business and business corporation. The management dealing with the corporate finance takes crucial decisions in the aspects of capital allocation, investment, and organizing the budget. The management also looks into the amount of capital needed for acquiring assets. Depending upon the type of asset acquisition, management looks into whether to do financing by issuing the equity or through debt. Many times the management follows both issuing equities as well as debt to maintain a safe balance, because too much debt can increase the risk factor while diluting the equity of the corporation to a large extent can hinder the process of growth or increase the valuation of the corporation. So now there are some elements of corporate financing. First one is capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a process that assesses the viability of an investment proposal for determining the potentially profitable corporate finance projects. In order to determine the capital budgeting, a bunch of financial analysts conduct a comparative analysis of the present and estimated future value of an investment proposal. After conducting a comparative analysis, the most viable investment proposal is chosen. Second one is capital structure. Capital structure is a method by which a financial entity employs the method of structuring corporate finance. The capital structure includes equity or debt as a method for corporate financing from an investor point of view, that they want to optimum mix of debt and equity because it produces a balance of combination. Now, third one is working capital. Working capital is associated with the capital required on a daily basis for business conduct. An adequate cash flow is maintained by an efficient financial management company which ensures liquidity within organization. Then, dividend distribution. Companies which are publicly listed are accountable to their shareholders, and in order to serve them well, they give out a dividend from time to time. Dividends are generated from the surplus profit of the organization. An organization can either distribute the surplus profit amongst the shareholders, or it can reinvest the same amount to look for the growth in business operations. Now, I'll tell you about the importance of corporate finance. Corporate finance manages financial activities by obtaining funds from the right sources. Second, corporate finance manages financial activities to maximize the return of investment. Then, corporate financing balances the risk and profitability by properly structuring and budgeting the capital. Then, corporate financing is an essential in determining future cash flow. After that, corporate financing strategizes to make an optimum mix of debt and equity in capital structuring. So, here I have told you about what is corporate financing, essential of corporate financing, and what is the importance and scope of corporate financing. Hope you have enjoyed the videos. If you have any doubt regarding the corporate finance, do let me know. Post your questions in the comment sections, and in my next video I'll clear all your doubts and resolve all your queries. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe.